Hi everyone, this is Jason with Pries Capital Investment Research. At Pries Capital, we're committed to providing you with real-time insights into the Myrtle Beach housing market. From tracking home prices to monitoring supply, demand, and sales, we break down the data weekly to help you stay ahead. Welcome back to our Chart of the Week segment, where we highlight key charts and uncover what they mean for buyers, sellers, and realtors navigating today's real estate landscape. Today, we're diving into four major questions shaping the real estate market. 1. Mortgage rates. Will they come down, and how are they impacting buyers and sellers right now? 2. Sales declines. With sales starting 2025 below last year's levels, what does this tell us about demand? 3. Inventory growth. Will inventory keep rising, and what areas might see the biggest shifts? 4. Home prices. Can home prices hold steady despite changing market conditions? Plus, for agents tuning in, we'll discuss how to use this data to educate your clients and guide them through the market. Let's get started. Mortgage rates remain a critical factor shaping the market. Currently, the 30-year fixed mortgage rate is holding above 7%, and we're seeing the ripple effects on buyer activity. Looking at the chart, which spans 13 years of mortgage rates, you'll notice a few key trends. 2010s, rates hovered around 4% for much of the decade. 2018, a rate hike slowed the market until rates dropped again in 2019. 2022, rates surged from 3% to 7.5%, sharply reducing demand. 2023 through 2025, rates have fluctuated between 6% and 8%, with today's rates at the higher end of that range. While many forecasted that rates would remain in the 6% range throughout 2025, we've already surpassed 7%. This reinforces a crucial takeaway. Waiting for significantly lower rates may not be realistic. Buyers sitting on the sidelines might face a prolonged wait for rates to dip below 6%. That said, if we see favorable economic news or narrowing spreads in the bond market, rates could temporarily fall back towards 6%, as they did in September. The lesson? Timing is key. We've seen how even a slight drop in rates sparks increased buyer activity, but right now, higher rates are dampening demand. Pending sales data further underscores the market's cooling pace. So far this January, we've seen 62 new single-family homes go into contract, which is 1.9% lower than the same week last year. The chart reveals interesting patterns. 2024 versus 2023. Last year's numbers consistently outpaced 2023's until late in the third quarter, when rising rates caused a decline in activity. January 2025. The year started slightly above 2024 levels but has since dipped below. Our forecast predicts 5% growth in home sales for 2025, but January's slower start highlights the challenges posed by high mortgage rates. Still, we expect opportunities to emerge as rates fluctuate throughout the year, potentially unlocking pent-up demand from buyers waiting on the sidelines. Inventory is always a cornerstone of market analysis. Right now, 943 single-family homes remain unsold in Myrtle Beach, representing a 33% increase compared to last year. Examining 8 years of inventory cycles, we typically see a seasonal low point in January or February, followed by gradual increases through the spring. During the pandemic, demand far outstripped supply, delaying inventory peaks to March or April. This year, we're watching closely to see if the trend resets to pre-pandemic norms. Compared to 2018, inventory is still about 49% lower, but we anticipate steady growth this year. By the end of 2025, inventory levels could approach normal levels, aligning with those seen in 2018 to 2019. That's all the data we have time for today. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or real estate agent, understanding these market trends is essential to navigating the year ahead. I encourage you to reach out and schedule a free consultation with Pries Capital. With our expert insights and data-driven approach, we'll help you make informed decisions that align with your real estate goals. Contact Tina at 843-999-1570 or call me directly at 843-945-0051. Sign up for a free Pries Capital investment research account at priescapitalrealestate.com and gain access to local real estate data for any zip code, city, or neighborhood nationwide. Book time with our firm today and start mastering the market. Let's make smarter decisions together. Remember, understanding the data is the first step to achieving success in today's dynamic real estate landscape.